Alright, so we're going to have a quick lesson on how to use SignMaster Pro. In order to open it, you're just going to go down here and type in SignMaster Pro, if I can type it right, or SignMaster, find it up here, double click on it, it will open it. Okay, and then you're going to, this is the size of your vinyl, and so you're going to change it up here and make sure it's the right size. We have everything from 10 to 20, so you need to make sure it's correct right there. Then in order to bring in your graphic, you're going to choose File and make sure it's a PNG file you're bringing in. Now this one's a little too big for the 12 inches, so we're going to choose Shift and then hold down your cursor button and make it the right size. Now we have to vectorize it. So I've chosen this image and I'm going to choose Vectorize. Now the problem is you see how it's cut it out of the white, but we need it to cut opposite. So you're going to go down here and you're going to double click on that color, and there it shows up right there. And then you're just going to click Trace again. And then once it's done tracing it, you're just going to choose Accept. And then it's ready to go. Then you're going to go up here and choose the blade, Send to Cutter. Now I already have it set so it will switch over. I need to change my media width to 12. I can name the job if I prefer, if I want to. Now you see how it mirrors it. For HTV, we always have to choose mirror, so I just keep that on at all time. So click the auto weed box, and it will leave it will cut a line around it and make it easier to weed. And then from there, you're just going to click Cut Now. And then it's going to bring up another box that says Proceed to Cut. And then we'll end there.